Okay guys, welcome to the Monday directions video, very similar to the end of last week. As you can see here, the video guide of the Ghost of Rwanda documentary is due tomorrow, so this is your last day to watch it. And again, you have the video here, you're going to click on it, it's going to give you some age restrictions, kind of trouble if I click play actually. Again, to get over this, you just literally click on watch on YouTube, and that'll bring you to the video if you're still having troubles with that. That's how you solve that problem. Just click on the watch video, and then you obviously have the video guide questions right here. And we're just doing every other, right? Keep that in mind, every other. So that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you guys have found the documentary kind of eye-opening. I know it's kind of shocking stuff that we don't really hear about too much. It's kind of becoming in that middle ground in history classes where, if you kind of catch my drift there, it's in that middle ground where it's not old enough to be history, but it's not really modern enough to be current events. So it kind of falls in that gap where it's kind of that weird area in history classes where we don't cover it, but also you may not even know about it. So I figured it'd be a good little mini unit that's kind of eye-opening. Pretty shocking stuff, to be honest. Every year we talk about it, it's still pretty crazy to me. But good luck watching that, guys. And then obviously check back into for tomorrow for the last assignment of the distance learning period, hopefully. And we'll be kind of switching gears away from off Rwanda a little bit. Actually, I take that back. I think when we come back, we're going to spend our last week, the first week back, kind of going through it one more time. Maybe watch the movie Hotel Rwanda, and then we'll move forward into the colonies. But all right, guys, have a good day. If you have any questions, email me, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.